Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Here, streaming live every market opens. You guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to follow me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get it popping. It is September 24th, Tuesday. We got about 30 seconds till market open. I got some cool stuff on watch today. I like JD a lot. I had really nice trades on JD yesterday, and it gapped up quite a bit this morning. So, kind of looking to see what's going to happen at 33. That's my blue line up here. So that's my number one play. I got also CAPR, which gapped up a lot. Its kind of line in the sand is like 822, which is trading pretty high above that, but we'll put a little line right there. Wave Rider, what's going on, man? And then I got WVE, NIO, INTC. I'm looking to see a break over yesterday's high, and I got MWA, which is just like some random thing that popped up on my gap list that had a decent daily, but we'll see, man. We shall see. Yesterday was probably one of my best trading days ever.
UBS.
It's just as far as
EMN.
Discernment. Let me turn this off, bro, because I don't need that. I don't need all this input in my life right now. Yeah. I also have eye on CNO, but it just didn't have any yeah, that's trash. Okay. NIO is moving right now. Nvidia, you still eating on Nvidia, bro? No, 6 looks like kind of a level here. It's quite a drop. NWA is actually moving. Dang, NWA fell through the NIO NWA. Big pop on Nvidia. Nvidia's kind of been flagging there. Up or down, which way will she go? What's up, 3 Pony? Yeah, that's kind of nasty. Kind of nasty. INTC over here. Okay, new high day on INTC and WVE. See if we can catch. I'm saying NIO. Well, it was. We'll see. NIO just made a new lower day, but it looks like it wants to come back up. CAPR came down and bounced off of VWAP, but I want to wait and see if we can get a higher high and higher low. There we go. CAPR might go without me, man. I might not be able to catch it. I mean, this actually would have been a cool entry, but you know, trying to be that's kind of been a thing though. When it opens up above VWAP and then comes down to VWAP, it's like works out quite a bit. Yeah, CAPR looks real nice, man. I'm gonna try to wait for it though. Try to wait for that perfect entry. 52-week breakout in effect. Wow. Hope I don't miss it. I would like to not miss it. NIO holding VWAP right there. It's a trip seeing so many trades that I would normally dive in that I'm just kind of sitting here now. It's quite an improvement. Quite an improvement. Okay, INTC starting to build up too. VE. Man. I could literally take that. NIL running back up towards the high of day. No. Yeah, I gotta take that one. All right, NIO is testing high a day. INTC looks good. JD looks pretty good as well. Oh yeah, I see CAPR. That's why I gotta wait to see that thing hold up, man. All right, NIO new high a day. JD looks good. Well, not yet, but it looks like it's shaping up for something here. Need to test above that line. NIO is there, yo. Let's see what happens. JD just broke. No FOMO over here though, man. We chilling. We chilling. Maybe a little FOMO, but it's all good. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. JD is rolling too, man. That's my number one. Just need to catch it off of this high volume line right here. Although we got some friction up at 33. But it's got a strong gap, man. Yo, WVE. Yeah, you ain't lying. T-Low. Look at that. We over 7 on WVE. What's setting up right now? Yeah, INTC is kind of nice, man, but I need a narrow range something to get in there. Let that cook for a minute. I just want a little test through right here, man. Yo, what's up, Pond? NIL's not holding. JD's pulling in a little further than I was hoping. A lot further than I was hoping. So is INTC and NIO. It's really not bad though. NIO is kind of nice. That's pretty nice. Mm. I'm not risking much on it just because, I mean, really, I wanted it to hold up there. I could have been more patient for that one. Especially since I forgot I'm waiting for JD to set up. Yo, I'm going to break even ASAP on this one because I got to take JD. There goes INTC. Oh, man. Man, Alex, bro. I might have to be a little reckless today, man. I think I'm a 65. Low 55, 55. Stop by. I need to get out of this. This look like it's gonna happen soon anyway. $78, $78. Stop at 77. Look at WVE, man. We chilling. BNZI. I don't even know if I'm gonna look at BNZI. Actually, that's pretty clean, man. It's halted though. Damn, that's pretty clean, yo. Let's see if it pulls back to that high volume support. Yo, man, what's up with WVE? Let's move that stop in the money right there. Yes, sir. All right, so risk is off the table on one trade. BNZI is halted up. I think I'm about to tap into JD, which I don't think I'll be in trouble because my risk is off the table on my WVE trade, and now we're in JD. Stop 32.49. Stop sell. Yeah, it's rolling, man. I really want INTC too, man. Yo, that's a lower high though. This look kind of nice right here, bro. Over 57. Kind of holding that right there. We're gonna slow down a bit though. Man, I wanted that. I wanted that, man. NIO might crash out on me. Yeah, I needed it to hold above this line right here before entering. This was a nice pullback though after breaking through, but it got slapped up there. So this is a little bit of a risky play. Man, that INTC was clutch, bro. I should have taken it. There's no reason not to take this entry right here. Except that I was already in 2 or 3 other things. WVE is well into break even though. Hopefully we get a new high here and I'll move my stop right up there. And we keep this show on, keep this show rolling. Where Brooklyn at? Come on, baby, go on up there. Dang, everything's kind of struggling here. SPY is downtrending. I don't think these too much care about the SPY though. Yo, BNZI got me wanting to be breakout Billy over here. Over $8. NIL about to stop me, man. I could tell. Yeah, INTC gonna be like PLTR the other day that I missed out on. All right, there goes NIL. Very tight risk on that, so not a painful loss at all. Dang, bro, I'm mad about INTC, yo. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing that no more, yo. This and it gave me 2 entries too. It's all good. JD was my number 1. It's so far from VWAP, and it's not really holding this HVS like I wanted it to. Yeah, INTC gonna be my PLTR of the day. We'll see. Maybe I'll catch it. Dang, man. Someone film. Oh, Billy. Billy. There's this guy named Roland who does like small cap content on YouTube, and he always says, "Don't be Billy." And Billy is the guy who buys at the breakout at the high of day. Breakout Billy. Dang, bro. I can't believe I let myself miss INTC. I wanted the break of yesterday's high. I'm just, bro. I don't know, Alex. I want my freedom. I know it's a two-edged sword, but I don't like this. The gunslinger must sling the guns, man. Mm-hmm. All right, just added to JD. So we all, yeah. We've definitely all been Billy one time or another. Yeah, no problem. The idea is we want to sell to Billy, not buy with Billy. Whenever possible. Come on, baby. Give me that new high a day. 758. Actually. Whoa. I bet you I'm taking this. I bet you. Damn, JD. That was a backside ad. Yeah, that was a backside ad. Can't be adding risk on the backside of the move. Damn, Intel's dropping. Huh. About to see. Yeah, we out of JD, looks like. Bye, humbug. All right. Only I just bought down here, man. My stop would have been up here right now. Getting to the money. All right. JD failed. Look like I'm about to take a share out here. NIO starting to look like it's winding up again. Yep, quite clearly. Pond, we still in it? INTC? Yeah, buddy. WVE is that's what's up. Well, hopefully we get paid. Hopefully we get paid. Yeah, I knew better on NIO though. This line was where I needed the price action to stay up, and that's where my entry needed to be. So this was a mistake here. Even though it was a nice pullback after breaking through that high volume support and closing above, but it still didn't hold up at that price level, which is usually a bad sign. JD is below VWAP now. Hmm. Like we're about to take a little profit on JD maybe. BNZI is looking rough over there. Uh-huh. You know what it is. INTC over here cooking. Late to the party, man. Hella late to the party, but we still partying. This is where I wanted to enter. This is where I was supposed to enter, but I was in a couple other stocks. And I was trying to be, manage the amount of positions I was in, but I believed in this entry so much. I really don't like. I don't like it, Alex. I know the wisdom of not putting on so much risk at one time, but if you're taking clean setups and the setup probability is 70% or so, or 60%, whatever, I just practically, to me, you have to take all the setups in order to be able to tap into that percentage, because you don't know which ones are the winners and which ones are the losers. I don't know. We're probably gonna be going back and forth on this for a while. We'll see. My performance will dictate who wins this conversation in the long run. Dang, this thing is really holding this little level right here. Let me give it a couple more pennies. See if I can float this thing up a little higher. We get to another level on this, that would be sweet. Uh-oh, BNZI. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there, man. That's what I want to see. Yeah, we looking good right now. Glad I was able to get that second ad on INTC. Man, bro, I just can't believe I passed. I would have entered here and added there normally, right? Entered there, added here. I would have 4 shares, probably averaged at about 22.56 or 7. And then my stop would have been right here, right now, right where it's at. In the money, though, another 50 cent. It's cool, though. We doing good today, man. It's looking real good right now. Look at that. We just tapped into that next level right there. Put a little line right there. Let's see if Billy's going to make it out of this one alive. Hopefully he does. And maybe we can sell where Billy sells. Come on, Intel. Start lagging now. We are above yesterday's high. Oh, we got the day before yesterday at 23.14. So that'll be like next target. INTC. Come on, bro. That was it. That was the whole move. Yeah, see, I was late, man. I was just late to the game. My entry was supposed to be down here. Guess we'll see what happens. Ugh. Yeah, it's not looking good for the boy. NIO's creeping back up. So is BNZI. I don't know if I want to mess with that one, though. You in anything, Trey? You jumped in BNZI on that pullback? That looked like a little triangle action, maybe. Nice narrow range candle on the 5. My bad, Trey. My bad, channel. Yeah. So because I decided to take a trade on BNZ, I had to uncover my shame. I took a pre-market, couple pre-market hits. On nah, it was me 3 pony. I muted it to blow my nose and then forgot to unmute it. Um, yeah, man. So it is below Hive Day, but it dipped below VWAP and recovered VWAP and started making higher highs, higher lows. This high was 49, this high was 50, and then we got the higher low right there. Had to just gone and jump on in there, man. The timing was right. The timing was right. I love it when I get in right before the pop, man. I just really feel like I got the eyes, right before the pop. Let's see. What was that halt site? Halt. Trade halts. NASDAQ tracker. BNZI. Resumption at 10:10. No, that ain't right. Oh, 10:10, so it should be 10:15. They don't have the proper oh, resumption quote time was 10:10. And nobody's putting quotes in just yet. Um so I would assume 10:15. All right. This thing ever do anything? Nah, y'all looks like trash. Hot garbage. Looks like about 1 minute until BNZI opens up. No quotes in here, man. I was hoping to see some quotes up at $9 or something. Here we go. BNZI. What's it gonna be? Oh yeah, we getting that. We getting that. I know the party ain't over yet. Let's go. I'm taking that 9, bro. I need that 9. Let's go. Another halt, sir. Dang, I should have got a share out. Let me get a share out in there. Look at that thing going, boy. Yeah, we'll take that one. We'll take that one. Yeesh. We still got one left. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lordy. Yo, we got in at 740 and we had $10. Holla at your boy, man. Y'all hit that like button for me, man. We having a good time today. We having a good time today. quotes up at 1017 already. Like to see that. WVE just been kind of chilling over here, consolidating real. Whoa, okay. All right, then, let's go. I'm with it. We can go as high as you want to go, man. What we looking like over here? Whoa. Slow down. Okay, we got this over here at 767. But now we're up there with it. Already moved through that. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. So this was 767. Right there. Okay. Right where we turned around at. Bruh. Hmm. Yeah, next time on a move like this on the NCC, if I don't get in where I need to get in at, I'm not getting in up there. This is definitely the sell zone. If this is where I wanted to get in, I mean this does look nice, but I mean I'm expecting a parabolic move at this point with this entry, which is ridiculous. So yeah, I just had a lot of FOMO from not taking this entry and then end up taking a bad entry. That's kind of stupid, but such is the human. All right, we got a higher high now. Do I want to go ahead and move my stop up or give it room to VWAP still? Let's check on BNZI one more again. 1018 was the halt time, so we're looking at 1030 or 1023. That's probably gonna be it, man. WVE and BNZI finish out the day. Let's see how I feel about this NIO trade. Yeah, I want the price to hold up here for me to take that entry. So this was bad. This was a breakdown in my analytic mind. Let me take this trade when clearly I put this line here for the price to hold above, and clearly it did not. Not only that, a nice high volume rejection right here. So yeah, you gotta do better than that. Ooh, this looks interesting. That looks interesting. But of course it would need to get quite a bit above that. Discernment is getting better. I will say that. But man, I think I passed up then. No, what was that? JD? Oh snap, we back open on BNZI. Damn, we're gonna crash out. I mean, two halts up. I think that's probably it, you know. But you never know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll give it some room. This is a big high volume candle right here. The bottom is 842. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll give her some room. We'll give her some room. We break this high though. I'm moving my stop up under here. Believe that. Come on, man. We can squeeze way more epically. Got plenty room to squeeze. Dang, is my mic still muted? You guys just ain't, you guys busy right now? Guys busy? Hmm. Yeah, boy. Oh, snap. Dang, NIO fell all the way through the floor. About to double bottom. Or it's about to bottom out. I don't know if it's going to bounce or not. Come on now. Come on then. I want that meme from I want to make a little video from Jurassic Park where dude is trying to encourage the dinosaur out of the shell. Come on then. Come on now. Come on then. Yo, it's popping over here, man. Yeah, we gonna eat that. We gonna eat that. We'll be happy with that. Let's keep an eye on this guy. Dude, can somebody just type a period or something in the chat so I know it's not broken? Is anybody out there? Here we go. Let's squeeze. There we go. HCS. I'm gonna pull that up over here so I don't lose my vision. HSC. I'm tripping. HSCS. Okay. Looking for that dip sauce. I'm trying to see how much room do I really want to give this thing. Like it could come back down and test this high, but nah, this is actually, yeah, this is actually the higher volume candle of the day. But then we had that. No, I'm gonna leave it where it's at. I really want to move it up to here. I'd like to get up just a little higher though. Oh, that's a scary wick on HSCS there. Bought right back up though. Hope it didn't stop you out, my man. Hey, WVE still cooking over here, boy. Boy. Hey, there you go, HSCS. You still in there, Trey? Ah, man, for real. Look like it's trying to bounce on you now too, man. Volume came in. Yeah, that's cold blooded. Damn. It's about to go, bro. Let me stop instigating you. I don't want you FOMOing back in on my behalf. But it's under a lot of water in my opinion, volume wise. Like, oh man, if we make a new high here and I get to move my stop up under there, I'll be very happy. Is that all we got, WVE? Look like that's all we got. I'm good with that. What do we get there? $1.32? I thought we had more than that. There we go. I'll take it. Oh yeah. Let's go, man. Trey, how are you not in BNZI with me right now? That's the only question I got, bro. How? 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 Limit up is 10:59, which is where we're at now. I almost want to just sneak a order in there and get out. No entry. I don't know, man. This little 5-minute joint right here looks pretty enterable, but I haven't really figured out your entry criteria yet, bro. So I can't really speak on it. Look at them shorts trying to crush it at 10:50. Will they win or not? Look like they winning. I could keep my stop back here and let that thing wiggle around a little bit, but we up $2.50 on one share. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. I should have taken out the 1050 though. I think that thing is donezo. All right, man. Some pretty good trades today, mixed in with a few mids. Yeah, I just wish I would have been more patient and waited. Not patient, but just sticking to my rule of wanting it to hold this level and not trade back in. Once it trades back in, it's underwater. Like this is an underwater purchase right here. Under the sea. Dang, I might have been a little too aggressive on this stop right here. I really did want to wait for high of day to move my stop up, but you know, them dollar signs. That's kind of a habit of mine is being too aggressive with the last leg of my trade. When I really the whole idea of it is to hold it back in case things want to run, you know. But it's just like fighting that thing of not wanting to give too much back, and you end up missing some opportunities. But hey, man, put it in the bank. It's in the bank. It's all good. It's all good. Been having green days pretty consistently, actually. I think I have. I think I've had. I think I've been green quite a bit. Uh, hmm. Check my I have been using my journal at all, man. That's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, but I just kind of feel like I haven't really had a just been kind of experimenting, so not really feeling obliged to really track the stuff. But I think I'm getting to that point now where it's time to start tracking again. Let's see. Let's go last week to today. Monday was red, Tuesday green, Wednesday red, Thursday red, Friday red. That's weird. Uh, Interesting. I could have sworn I was having green days. I think I did have a couple days where I came in the afternoon and took a couple swings. Uh, that's old stuff though. I'm bringing up old stuff. Let's see here. Man, BNZI holding up too, man. I gotta wait for new high of day. I think that's gonna be my back leg rule. That once I take profit and move my stop, my last leg shares to break even. I gotta wait for the new high of day to move that stop up. But I mean, this did make a new high of day, and so I still would have been right there with it. But I want to buy it again right here. I ain't gonna do it. It look like it's about to go though, don't it? It does. This 5 minute candle looking kind of saucy. 953, 897. That's a lot of risk though for my little. I could risk 50 cents. Over 954. We ain't gonna risk that much though. We just do a little risk under these lows here. 919. Stop sell. Yeah, that wick out is diabolical, man. There's nothing worse than that. All you can do after the wick out is hope that it crashes out the rest of the day, and you're like, okay, that was a good stop out. If that joint squeezes up to 5, then it's gonna be pretty upsetting for sure. All right, this is just a play trade, so stop already above break even. Although a slippage on this would probably be so brutal that it wouldn't even matter. Actually, that feels stupid. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna trip off a 20 cent like that. Let's ride this joker out. Let's ride her out. Whoa. Yowzers. Okay. It's looking a little interesting now. Back over 10. 10-11 is the high of this little range. You can do it. Got the 10.05 there. You can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to play off of this 5-minute chart for this one. It's actually a really nice 5 setup. The only thing concerning is this high volume red candle right here. If we can get back above 1050 though, this thing could go crazy. I don't know, man. I feel like this is some decent volume. I mean, not yet. Not here, but this is definitely enough built up in here for a nice squeeze if we can get some volume to come in and push it up there. Get Trey to drop a bag on this for us and pump it up. It's cooking. It's either gonna slam down or break out. That's usually how these work. There's 10. Can we get 10, 12? 10, 10, 14. Come on, start squeezing them out. Better cover them shorts. Y'all better cover them shorts, man. Oh, y'all better cover them shorts. Come on, man. Come on, man. Ah. I should have sold up there at 1050, honestly. But we here for the squeeze. I want the squeeze. Billy got wrecked. Actually, it didn't fall that much. Wow, it went to 1075. 1075 back down to 962. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Because Billy probably had his stop right over 1060, and then it slipped him up 15 cent and then dropped through the floor. That's how it be going. Come on, man. You can do it. You still holding $10? You can do it. There's 20s. Got a nice wall sitting there at 1010. Come on. Last minute on this 5 minute candle. Oh, if it can close above highs, man. Got 30s. 40s. 60s. Come on, baby. This gotta be it. Third time, fourth time's a charm. Bro, see, that's what you wanted to see right there, Trey. Check out HSCS now. That candle, you might not have been able to get out of that candle just now. Yeah, come on, man. Let's go. Don't come back down, bro. Don't come back down up in here. Yes. Come on. Come on, man. Yeah, bro, that one candle. Pretty big rip down. Come on, man. All right. Well, risk is off the table at least. I'm telling you, it's going. Look at that. Look at that. 11. Come on, man. People always trying to short something, man. Move out the way. All right, stop just under $10. I'm gonna leave it right there under that. Stop 986. Go 89. Oh yeah, there is for sure. I risked, I think, 50 cent on this one. I used this 5 minute candle here. Yeah, it's like 56 cent risk on there. So definitely up over 2R right now. I think I'm going up to here if we get a new high. JD back over VWAP. Intel back over VWAP. Intel looks really saucy right here. Where's the volume at? Oh, we are over that though. It's plausible. We need a better entry though. Whoa. I shouldn't have looked away. Dag on it. Let's see. 10-10. See if it holds 10, man. We might still have some moves in it. Yeah, I hear what you were saying, Terrence. T-Lo. I should have we'll see though, man. We'll see if we can hold 10. I really want 12. I want $12, man. Come on, baby. Of course, I can't sell this share up there. JD is rolling, man. Hmm. Alrighty. I got like 5 cents off of that, 54 to 80. I don't know, I got a little something off of there. 54 to 80. Okay. Here's the new bay over here though. The new bay. Yeah, I wish I'd have taken around 11 or 1050 or something on there, but you know, was hoping for the parabolic squeeze. But we back in Intel over here. Been waiting on this move since yesterday. Yeah, sure was. It's all good though. Oof. Almost exited the trade on accident. I was scared. I was about to be sad. No. Ain't even made back my loss yet. Yeah, I really like making decisions around the high volume areas and buying above water when there's a lot of volume below water. Don't want to buy in the water, man. Under the blue line is underwater. So this one right here. This is my highest volume of the day right here. And then we got another high volume candle. And all of this under there. And this wasn't really that much volume for real. But now we're above this line too. So all of this volume is underwater. And the only thing we got to compete against is this up here. So I will put one share here at 22.67. Yo, what's up, Jack? It feels that way. It feels that way. But, you know, I'm not going to get excited yet cuz I've definitely had some streaks in my day that um made me think I had arrived, and a few days later, I realized that wasn't the case. How you doing over there, Jack? You trade today? Yeah. Uh, I've had quite a few occasions where I swore I made it. Told my family, like, hey, man, life's about to change. Just give me like 3 months, man, and everything's gonna be different. Okay. Is this about to be it already? That's all you got, Intel? That's all you got? Really ain't had a pullback quite yet, for real. Let's slow down a little bit there. I'm in this I get these Reddit alerts, Reddit day trading alerts. The articles people post are hilarious, but this one guy was like, he was asking if he should quit his job because he was making a little money, and if he should go ahead and go full time. Like unanimously, everybody was like, "No, no, don't do that." Like, bruh, it ain't gonna go like you think it's gonna go. It ain't gonna go like you think, bruh. Give it a little more time. Give it a little more time. There we go. Now we got some. Now we can move that up with some confidence. Shoot. I'm telling you, Jack. We good now. See, yeah, I was a little too aggressive on this backside of my trade on WVE. I should have gave that thing more room, man. It never even dropped under here. So yeah, I wilded out on that one. I should be all in this right now. But you know what? We in Intel, so we cool, man. She's moving real nice, moving and grooving. 265. Ooh, look at that, man. Look at that. New high a day on Intel. We just playing the price action, man. We just looking at trend changes and support and resistance, and we hopping in and taking profits sometimes. Sometimes. Golly, I hate this Mickey Mouse shirt now. My dad got it for me when he came to visit from California, so it has like some sentimental value. But the stuff I've been finding out about Disney and Mickey Mouse, man, I might have to let this one go. It's a really nice shirt though. It's comfortable. Um, let's see what we gonna do here. What do we do? What did I risk on this one? 6 pennies, and we're up 48 pennies. That's pretty good. I was gonna take a share out at high of day, but let me see if this thing can win this fight. I think at minimum I would like 32 cent, which is 16 cent, which is 81-ish. So yeah, WVE is going, man. Yup, that's my bad. That is my bad. There's no reason that I got rid of that right there. Good lesson on that back leg that I've been teaching to myself for quite some time. Okay, now I can see what's going on here. Let's mark that so we can have some reference for this price action going down over here. Huge volume candle up there. Love to be back over the top of that, so I can have a place to move my stop up. JD got to do some work for me to get involved though. Yeah, it's like on I think 31st. I want to say 31st and Truce actually. Come on, baby. Go on and break that 23, man. What's high a day? 95. I ain't moving up till we close over 23. That's kind of silly. Yes, sir. Yo, Pond, we in the game, baby. Me and Pond been watching our Intel for a minute. The daily been nice. The daily been nice. Yeah, I'm getting rid of one right there for sure. What is that? 86. That's cool. Printing, what's up, Marcellus? I'm trying, man. I got the training wheels on, but it's going well, man. It's going well. Like, risk on here is this was a 6 cent risk on this entry, and we up 60 cents. So, you know, that's 10R, man. This is like a home run on, and realistically. I think yesterday I had a 7R trade. But yeah, man, it's going well. Appreciate you stopping in, man. How you doing over there, bro? How's your experience in the market? That's what's up, man. That's what's up. I don't know, man. I might have found my happy place, man, over here in these small mid cap zone. It's like five to $50. I haven't traded anything that expensive, but like around 5 and 30, 5 to 30 has been kind of the sweet spot last couple weeks. Yeah, same here, bro. I felt like I've had an edge, but you just start to change things, and then you know you have a bad day and you change something that probably didn't need to be changed, and then you have another bad day and you change something else, and then one day you look up and you don't even know what the heck you're doing anymore. You know, that's kind of where I found myself, and so kind of finding my way back to what I like to do and what I felt like I found success in the beginning to make me feel like I could do this. And it's been going well, man. I guess the hardest thing for me has just been sticking to my plan and my rules. That's really where it was just always falling apart. I just always yeah, I know I'm not supposed to do this, but let me try it anyway and see what happens. Like constantly every day over and over again. And I would still take my good trades, but I would just have a bunch of those trades mixed in and it would ruin my day. And then on the days where I didn't get a good trade in, it would be disastrous. So, man, JD's looking saucy over here, man. Oh, yeah, that was a nice 5 minute entry on JD. Was that over 50? It's still in that range, honestly. Um, Come on, man. We need that 23 intel. What's up? We need that 23. Yes, just like that. Come on with it. Come on with it. New high day, 23 on the dot. Look at all this stuff over here on the level 2, man. Y'all get out the way, man. Y'all get out the way. Shoot, I'm going up to here with it for sure. Yup. Yerp. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. We are. Is it safe to say? I think it's safe to say. We cooking right now, yo. Cooking on both these positions right now. Yes, sir. We don't need to have to stop that low. Let's go up to there with it. Dang. It's big volume up there. What do we make it to? 2304. Hold the line. Yeah, buddy. All right, JD. Now we got a lot of volume underwater. Looking pretty good. I think we got 33 coming. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. We'll see, though. This thing is gorgeous on the 5. Gorgeous on the 5. INTC. I feel like I'm being a little too aggressive, but no, this is the rule. That's the rule. Let's follow our take profit rules. Drag up that stop. Dang, BNZI halted down, huh? Glad I got mine out. NIO's popping back over VWAP. JD's looking fantabulous. Intel, man, that's this big high volume candle up here got me a little shook. But stop is a little tight. I'm gonna drop that thing 5 cents, man. It's worth 5 cents to tuck it under there. A little disappointed at WVE. The FOMO, not the FOMO. I guess this is just Mo. There's nothing to fear. I have missed out. Even though I ate good on it, you know. I had positioned myself to take advantage of this part of the move, but got a little too excited. JD looking clean. Yeah, for me, what I think I've come to is I love the 1 minute on the first part of the move, but once it comes back down and does this little consolidation at VWAP, you switch to the 5, man. The 5 just cleans it all up for you, you know, and you get these narrow range changes at support, like here or here. Good entry opportunities, but you still want to, you know, pay attention to where you're buying. But this was an excellent entry to me. And I didn't take that one, but I pretty much got the price I wanted. The top of this was 32.50, which I would have put a order at 32.51. I got in over here at 32.53, so 2 cents higher than I would have had I been hunting it right there. Look at NIO right here, looking kind of interesting. Kind of interesting, but still underwater though, so we're not messing with that. JD is looking great. INTC still trying to figure out what we doing here, buddy. But it's holding up this top level. It's holding up over the last high a day. I like that a lot. I just want to get back over this big red volume candle right here. JD is approaching high of day. $78. 1 penny below. I think I deserve break even at this point. No risk on the table there. No risk on INTC. Stops in the money, baby. You know what? I will be taking that if it stops that. Chili. What's it gonna be, JD? Oh no, this INTC. Oh yeah, I'm feeling good about JD, man. Keep it there. Keep it there. Here we go. 78 is high a day. Nah, now we got this lower high over here. I'm gonna go on and tighten that up. We'll go 88. New high of day on JD. Let's go. Do I split this one? Do I just take her? It's a nice pullback right here on the 5 too. Yeah, man. That sucks, bro. Oh yeah. So you traded or you tilted because you didn't? Oh no, yeah, you did get in HSCS. Hmm. Man, yeah, that's not a cool place to be, man. Cause I mean, then you got to drop your risk, and now you have no leverage to make back any of your losses for a while, and you just kind of feeling around in the dark until you find something. I thought you was done with reversals though, Trey. That HSCS, that HSCS was it was downtrending for sure. Below VWAP, making lower highs. I don't know what else you traded. Yeah, man. I was excited about JD. Like when I woke up this morning, I was like, I wonder what JD's doing because I knew it just had a great daily from yesterday. And when I woke up and checked it, it gapped up. I'm like, ooh, okay, okay. Look at there. We gotta move our stop up again. Yeah, buddy. 1 minute ugly daily chart, same thing. Yeah, I'm, bruh. I mean, I say that, but then I took BNZI for a nice ride. But yeah, I hate these kind of dailies, man. Where it's literally just the longest downtrend ever, and with a spike every few months. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, man. Because I mean, definitely the 1 minute is nasty. Um, it doesn't really clean up no matter what time frame you get to. Maybe the 10 minute, but there's just everything's lower highs, so there's not really you know, a great entry there. Oh, descending triangle. Okay. Yeah, see, I ain't hip to that for real, so I can't really input on that one. Yo, JD is putting in the work. Putting in the work. And yo, man, it's very tempting right here. Very tempting. I just don't like most of the volume is above this price level. So yeah, I'm gonna let that one be. INTC. She looked like she out of gas, man. I don't know how to survive this consolidation. I don't know. I keep moving my stop up and just leave it here. I'm talking about 5 pennies here. Look at JD, yo. Beautiful things. Looking for that break of 33. That break and run. 33 is a big level too. It's a nice level on the daily as well. This high volume candle here, the low of it is at 33 and the high of this one is at 33. So pretty good level, man. Could get exciting. I think that's what it is, man. I think that's where we headed, George. Uh oh, what happened? Took a share off on Intel. Second stop, still in the money. Waiting to see what that goes. That's true. That's for sure, Trey. I'm just saying that the trading things that have no value or no trend, you're just looking for like 1 day pops, and it's kind of random pops, just random volume coming in, random dumps. I guess they're not entirely random, but they do catch you off guard. Man, this thing stopped me out by like a penny. Literally on the penny. Straight haters. Straight haters, bruh. Meanwhile, JD over here putting in work. Maybe I should split this up. How long time is it? 11:23. I'm doing okay on time. Getting hungry though. Yeah, let's do one share under 32.89. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. And then we'll put the other one over here at 32.71. There goes NIO. Still underwater though. Under the sea. Come on, man. It's your time, JD. It's your time. Hyper scalping. What's going on, bro? Um, I've thought about it. I can't wrap my mind around the risk if it goes wrong. Cause the way I think about hyper scalping, and I could be wrong, because I haven't really like looked into it, but like you get in with a lot of shares so that you can get out, in very small increments, right? Like just a penny move or a couple cents move in your direction, you're getting out quick, right? But if it goes wrong, like in order to make that profitable, you got to have like a lot of shares. Otherwise, like, 1 penny move is nothing. But at the same time, if it goes against you, you really got to get out of all your shares at once, which will be a lot. So I guess for hyper scalping, your win loss ratio, you would lose. Your losers would be a lot bigger than your winners, is how I'm understanding it in my mind. But your win rate would be high enough to outpace your losers. Um, Yeah, I don't know, man. This has become my style, you know, kind of getting in on the trend and just riding that thing up. Man, commission, yeah, that sounds scary because now you got a whole bunch of shares. Oof. Hmm. I've definitely thought about it though, because I can usually get it to go in my direction at least for a minute or two. Sometimes I get in and get stopped out right away, but I feel like most of the time it goes in my direction for a little while. So I don't know, man. I guess I just never, I haven't really been exposed to hyper scalping. Is that what Ross does? Would Ross be like playing Contra? I know, right? I need to put my PlayStation controller up to the hook it up to my hotkeys. um, yeah, I don't know. I kind of assume that's what Ross does, but I like this. You just scalp. What do you consider a scalp though, George? Like how long is your average trade? Your average scalp? 5 to 10 cent. It's like trading farmer. Less than a minute. Huh. Okay. Huh. Oh, trading farmer is a name of a person. I'm sitting here trying to figure out like what is farmer. Yo, JD. I ain't even took any shares off yet. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I'm too far in to be walking down a different path. I got a lot of experience doing this style, and I feel like I'm real close to the bag. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, man. Yeah, we're gonna move that share up there. Uh, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Let's not get too ahead. Yo, WVE is like, hey man, you don't want to get on? You sure? EMA's to cross. Okay. Yeah, I used to trade with I think the 21 and the 9. I think something like that. Trying JD, I mean WVE over here again. I thought the 5 minute was looking pretty saucy over here. We'll see though. We shall see. 20 and the 9. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Hmm. What we doing, JD? coming back in, or we gonna accomplish some great things? Come on, hold your ground. Yeah, mornings for sure. That's it's the open is a wild thing. It's starting to slow down for me now though. I'm starting to really be able to kind of chill and make better decisions in the rush of things. Although I'm still disappointed in my NIO trade this morning. Um yeah, I'm not mad at JD at all. At all, I'm not mad at the JD trade. Aside from it being hella extended from VWAP. Maybe I need to kind of factor that in a little bit. I'm disappointed in this INTC trade. It's not terrible technically, but it's just so far up from where I really wanted to get in, which was down here. This was the entry down here, and I passed that up, so I should have passed that up too. Like how you pass up the number one entry and then take the take the subpar entry, you know. But other than that, man, it's been a pretty decent day. Been a pretty decent day. Boy, BNZI really fell out, huh? Got that there. JD's in the money. Is that new high day? Don't tempt me. Yes, it is. 307. Yup. So we're going to go all the way up to there. What is that? 95. That's cool. Yeah, man. That's how I feel, man. I appreciate that, J Lito. If that's how you say it. Yeah, I'm just sharpening my blade right now, man, and trying to earn my way back to putting risk on the table. Um, just doing 2 shares now, so I can take one and leave one, and eventually I want to go back up to $5 risk per trade, where I calculate my share size for each trade, and not just get two, but calculate the distance between my entry and where I want to place my stop, and then make sure that I get enough shares to make that risk $5, and then try that for a while, and then go to 10. I think I always jump from 10 to 25 and then 25 to 50. Yeah. Oh yeah. I've been that guy. I'm most people too. This is after a lot of pain to finally, I just realized that I'm not gonna get rich quick. It's not just gonna one day, boom, I'm gonna make a whole bunch of money, right? It's about the process. So this is me removing the money, removing the idea of trying to make profits, and just focusing on the process. With 2 shares, I can take profit and I can manage the last leg. So it's everything I need to focus on the process. And yeah, I had to get slapped up quite a bit to get to this point, man. Unfortunately, I mean, I think the most I've traded as far as risk per trade is like $50. $50 a trade. And I've had some bad red days, like in the 300, 400, $400 area, which is a lot because I have a small account. Um, but yeah, in general, I've always risked like 25. That's kind of been my average risk per trade is $25, and then I dropped down to 5 for a long time, and then now I'm at 2 shares. So I do agree this is what I should have been doing in the beginning. But in my defense, I've had some really nice streaks where I felt like I had it, you know. Um, I remember when I first started, man, I was listening to Live Traders. That was like my YouTube mentor in the beginning. And he was like, do not start out risking a lot of money. You need to risk $5 to $10 a trade. And I was like, nah, not me though. Like I learned stuff really fast. I'm gonna catch on quick. I don't need to do that. And then like a second later, he was like, even you. And he was right, man. He was definitely right. So here I am, just focused on the process and feeling pretty good right now, man. This is a good time in my trading journey. A time where you're feeling hopeful and starting to build a little confidence, you know. Much better than the times where you feel like you suck and it's been days since you had a winning trade and you just can't even like I was doing so bad. I was like, I would think like just at random like probabilities and statistics, I would have had a green trade by now, like just on accident. Like, like all I was doing was red trades. Like, bruh, how is this possible? All right, took one share on JD. How did that just happen? Was that JD? That couldn't have been JD. Oh no, that's WVE. Okay. I'm like, what? Um, that ain't worth much of nothing. Well, I'm gonna put this last one at break even. Yeah. You just had to take my share off the table, huh? All right. See how it is. Yeah. Like Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I love technical things myself. I actually wanted to be a programmer, and I used to do a lot of self study. I got a little deep into Python programming language, and I took some C++ courses at the community college. But yeah, classroom just ain't for me. I couldn't make it work. JDWVE. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of realized that I was looking at the candles, but I wasn't really like reading them. Like, what does this mean? You know, like I was buying after big rejections and stuff. Like, why would I buy after a huge top wick like that? Right? Like, come on, man. You got to look at what is the candle actually telling you? Exactly, George. Exactly. That's what it is, man. Cause it's talking to you. It's telling you what's happening. You gotta have your eyes open and your ears open, you know, so you can hear what it's saying. Listen to your chart. I believe that 100%, man. I am not giving up. I'm probably, I don't know if I'm 3 years in, like solid in front of the computer, because I've taken a break. I've taken like, I don't know, maybe 6 or 9 months off of this. But I started back in right before COVID started. I took my first trade. And I spent a good, I know I spent 2 years just like staring at charts every day. Yeah, it happens, bro. We players mess up, you know. It happens, Trey. Shoot, happens to me all the time, man. All right, WVE, that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. You ain't have to do me like this. I should have been more patient though. This wasn't really a great pullback to move my stop up to. Should have been a little more patient on that one. But hey, man, I took a little change. Very little actually. That's like 5 cents. Come on, JD. We can all tell that you want to go up over 33 and discover new prices and levels that you've never discovered. Well, that you haven't discovered in a while. When was this? Back in May, last time you were up this high. I want to see all my friends. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck to you too, man. Hit that like button for me on your way out if you could, bro. Hit the like, y'all. We pumping. It is a good day. Making back some losses. Got some cool runners, man. We killed BNZI, man. Killed it. Killed it. I wish I could have got a better exit on this last one, man. I was holding for the big move though. Even though I mean this is a big move already. So but it still made it. Still made like 40 cent, 36 cents off of that one per share. And but this was the one. Look at this. This is pretty right here. Look at that, man. In at 750, out at 964 on them. Love it. Yo, JD moving nice over here, man. ATC look like it's figuring it out too. Come on, JD. Let's get that new high day so I can move this stop back up. $33.07 high a day. Man, yeah, that's what this make you feel real good when you see that. Boop. Caught her again. Boop. Dang, look at the daily on this. Golly. 625 to 808. It's a big candle, but she's way down there. Might have a little friction in here. This is what? 3 million shares. What we got today? 7.7 million. Dang, that's nasty. This thing trying to make me not get to any profits. Can't get jiggy with that. Okay, Intel. I actually forgot on these 5 minute entries. I wanted to manage my trade on the 5 as well. Ended up using the 1 and getting tapped out a little earlier than I probably needed to. $33.07 double top again. What's that? A triple top? Yeah, it is on the 5. Absolutely. We can get back above. Back above 810. There she goes. Up, up. Hey, check out. Oh man, this is going crazy over here. Well, stops in the money, so I mean, a few pennies in the money, but there's no risk on the table. Unless it slips me down something crazy, which is definitely a possibility. But we got INTC over here moving up. Definitely move that stop up here. JD's moving up. Just need WVE to get its act together. Down 3.5%, still struggling. Hate to hear that, bro. That's part of the game, man, but 3.5%. What you trade today? Capital is at 0. Ah, man. That's the thing though, bro. This is jumping into the market and expecting to like pull out money in the beginning is like going to a university and expecting to get paid while you're taking classes. You know, how long you been doing this, bro? Like I feel like the biggest mistake most of us have is unrealistic expectations. A long time, like years. PDT. Hey man, I was right there with you, man. I was right there with you. I felt so like I couldn't trade the way I wanted to trade. You know, I couldn't express myself in the market the way I wanted to because of PDT, which at the end of the day is a leverage problem. Hey, bruh. Trades are going well, man. Trades are going well, man. Second green day in a row. Um, I only really have one really regrettable trade, and then another one that I just kind of feel like, yeah, I wouldn't do that again, but it wasn't like egregious. You know what I mean? So the trades are going well. But I got you on the PDT problem, man. I got a connection with this broker. and told him about my channel, and he's like, all right, man, if any of your followers want to sign up, just let them know what we got going on and send them my way, and we'll get them hooked up. um I just put a couple grand in this account, and I got, whoa, my bad. My bad. Well, I'm not supposed to be specific about the leverage, but leverage is on point, and no PDT. This broker's out of the Bahamas, and it gives me the freedom to express myself in the market, um, the way I want to. So, if you do need like a couple grand though to get started with them, but I fund my account with crypto. Like literally, when I need to put some money in my account, I buy Bitcoin on my Cash App, and I just send it over. You know, nah, I feel you, bro. But forget the money, man. Just get in the sim, man, and beat on your craft. You know, I one thing I was doing, the process was something that I was missing out, because I didn't have something like truly firm, like this is the system. Like this is the system. This is my criteria that I want to see in pre-market to add things to my watch list. And then once I got my watch list together, this is my entry criteria. This is my exit criteria. This is how I'm going to manage my trades. This is how I'm going to exit, blah, blah, blah. You get it all the way down. And then it has to be repeatable, right? And when you have a solid cemented system, now you can build on it. Now you can make adjustments and tweaks. And, this goes along with journaling, and, you build on your system. But one thing I was doing, I was just kind of spinning my wheels and making changes willy nilly and not really tracking things. And so even though I had a lot of time, I wasn't being efficient and doing the things that really move the ball forward. Um, I think the biggest thing that helped me there was talking to someone who was profitable, because it's like, it's a process that makes you profitable. Even with your edge and skills and all that, you got to have a process. PDT is damn, I ain't had to deal with PDT so long. Pattern day trading. Pattern day trader. Yeah, that's it. Pattern day trader. The pattern day trading rule in the United States requires that you have $25,000 in your account in order to have unlimited day trades. Yeah, pattern day trading rule. So if you have less than 25,000, then you have to, what is it? You have to wait for your money to settle. You can only trade, is it? How does that work? Yeah, your money has to settle basically. So now there's only one day, T plus one or something. So you can trade your cash tomorrow, but you can't trade the same. You can't just keep rotating your money, without the 25K. Once you get out of a trade, that cash has to settle. But that's only in the United States. So if you get in a broker that is outside of the United States but still has direct access to the US market, like my broker here, you can trade as much as you want. Nah, you can trade every day now, man. Oh, without cash account, because your money settles every day. They changed that in like May. It used to be T plus two, but now it's T plus one. So you can trade your whole account every day now, right? Isn't that right? But if you have, you know, you start with 2K in the morning and you buy, you know, 10 shares of XYZ, and that costs you $1,000. And once you close that trade, you can't use that same thousand. Now you only have, you know, your last thousand left. And once you trade that, you gotta wait till tomorrow. Yeah. So all right, go get her. What's your strategy? Like on BNZI, okay. What like I mean to so you chase halts? I don't know nothing about that game. That game sound. I remember it actually makes more sense now, but I remember chasing halts. Like we used to literally hunt. I used to keep the halt thing up. You know, this page right here that tells you when things halt and resume. And you can set it to where it alerts you and stuff. And I would just chase halts. But I didn't know near as much about price action as I do now, which is kind of wild. Makes sense why it wasn't working very well for me. But you know, you just gotta have your criteria, and you got your data to back your criteria to where you're confident in it, right? And you just gotta stick to that, man. BNZI back over VWAP. Bum, 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 bum. It's way underwater now, though. Yeah, I ain't messing with that. Honestly, if JD breaks low, I'm not gonna wait for it to break back up. So I'm moving my stop up on that. INTC. I don't think I want to let that thing break any lower than that either. So we're gonna move this to 89. Okay. But so where do you have you identified where you need to enter a trade, or what kind of setup you need to make that 4 to 15 cent really high probability? Cuz you can't just like be chasing green candles. Like I really love the top down approach, you know. INTC got this huge gap, right, that I'm kind of been holding my breath to run up and fill. And then this is the biggest volume candle down here, gap down here, and then just stay down here. So now we got like a zone, a level, right? Like you could draw a box around this. And the highest volume is here, right above, right underneath $22, 21.98. So for me, over $22, this thing is in play, big picture, like higher time frame. This thing is in play. So cool. I'm added to my watch list. But now, in order for me to actually enter, I got a process. So first candle comes in, highest volume candle of the day, right? And I'm basically price action and volume is what I'm looking at, you know. So I like to draw a line over this high volume candle that comes in, and I want price action to hold above that, right? So it dips down, it breaks above, nice move up, and then it pulls back. VWAP and HVS, this right here is my exact setup. I didn't take it because I was already in two other trades, but I should have taken it. I regret not taking this trade. This is my number one setup. I would have added here and then taken profit up here because I would have walked my stop up. But I passed up on it and ended up waiting for it to break above this level and retest. And I got in and added here, but the move was already over. So, yeah, I really should have gotten out up here though. But you know, that's literally what I'm looking for every time. Same thing over here. Highest volume candle comes in, draw a line over it, wait for it to trade above, come back, retest it. It's still over VWAP. I'm ready. So now I'm ready to buy the break over here. It breaks there. Boom, we go up. You know, so okay, so you trade bull flags and breakouts. That's cool. That's cool. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, breakouts are scary. Um, we've been taking a page out of Roland's book and calling that breakout. Like, imagine people who are up here wanting to sell. We call that guy Breakout Billy. And we really want to sell to Breakout Billy and not be Breakout Billy. But if the breakout zone is a good zone, it's better to wait for the breakout. For me, you know, it's all kind of approaches. Wait for the breakout, let it come back and hold that level that it broke out from, and then move up again, you know, and that's a little more confirmation. But none of that, I'm just kind of talking through my mental process, but it's all about just making sure you have your mental process. Yeah, that's Rolling Wolf, eh, bro? Um, the heck? Hold on a second, y'all. Somebody knocking at my door like the police. Better not have swatted me. All right, we good. Yo, we still over here cooking though, man. Put a little salt on that joint right there, man. All right, let's see. JD in the house. We'll take some of that. We'll take some of that. I did want to manage on the 5, but it's getting late. INTC moving back up. Dang, NIO finally made that move. Finally made that move. Got some volume coming in and everything. Got enough volume underwater to make a move on this thing. I think so. I think so. Hey, BNZI kind of building. Man, I kind of want to take this NIO trade. Kind of looking for revenge. Yeah, that's the thing. Small cap breakouts are scary. We in NIO now. All right. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. We might be getting out of JD over here. I feel like I'm being a little too aggressive, but it's way up though. It's way up. Hmm. I could give it underneath 33, but nah. Okay, that'll work too. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, Intel. All right, we out of JD. Got that L back. That was a nice little move. What we get here? 32.53. 32.53 to probably about a 33. Yeah, about a 50-cent move on there per share. Not bad. Yeah, I don't think WVE gonna give us much on that one. Just sprinkle a little bit back on the top of there. There's WVE as well. Okay. Just waiting on Intel. Oh yeah, I can imagine, bro. I can imagine. Hmm. Oh, about buying it low a day. The only issue I got is the volume. Like it makes sense if that lower day has like support like on the higher time frame, or I guess maybe even pre-market, but like if it's traded, you know, 10 million shares since the open and now it's at the low of day and you want it to move back through all of that trading action, that's just I can't wrap my mind around that unless it's like 20 million shares of volume support underneath it that was traded yesterday or something. Wave Rider, let me check you out. Dang, golly, dang, that is a crazy move. Well, I guess it's not that crazy if you look at the daily. This is a nice uptrend though, for sure. Golly. That's a nice wave right there. Man, you suck, NIO. You know what? I just took the breakout without even thinking about it. I totally billied this mug. Why you let me do that, Trey? Where you get in at, Wave Rider? That's what I want to know. Where'd you get in at? Or you just the way you traded video, bro? I imagine you got like a big position in your long term, and you just kind of in and out for fun. Come on, man. Did you enter today? You had to have some patience on it because it looked a little scary over here. She sure turned it around though. Oh yeah, this right here is prime entry, man. Mm-hmm. Right there. Boop. 115.38. Dang. Bruh, that's literally the low of day. Legendary. Legendary. Wow. Dang, AMD went off. Got out of JD and that joint still moving up. Hater. Should have managed on the 5. NIO stopped me out. What a jerk. That was a dumb trade though. I totally bought the breakout. It did consolidate a little bit, but it ran right into resistance. I needed to wait. I don't know why I drew this extra blue line right here. It's my bad. This might be it right here, but and then I needed to wait for the 5 realistically. But it's all good. We just gave back what do we lose up here? Yeah. Very small risk there. No big deal. It does look a lot better right there. That's actually the move. This thing is moving like a straight barcoding penny stock, though. It's just in a nice spot on the daily. I think my guy wants 25, as a minimum deposit, as far as unlocking all the good stuff. So yeah, 2,500, man. Hit me up, bro. I will get you set up just like this, and no PDT, really good leverage, really good commissions. Just send me an email, man, whenever you're ready. Whenever you are ready, sir. We'll get that PDT out the way. What's up, man? Was I looking at this morning? I was looking at this morning. I liked it a lot too, but it dumped. Where'd you get in at, bro? Yeah, I feel you. I see it. I like it. I like it a lot. Yowzers. I might have to join you over here, partner. You in at 850. Oh yeah, you still holding on to your butt. No problem, man. Just stick it out, man, and you know, I think a mentor would help tremendously just to talk your stuff, talk to somebody who's uh been in the game for a while. Man, jump in the Discord, bro. We have some amazing conversations in there. We're not like it's not like a group of a bunch of, rich traders, but we all been struggling and we learn from each other. So jump in the Discord, man. Links in the description. We be chilling. I don't know about this one. I don't like this rejection right there. And we got this big volume. This is the highest volume of the day way up here. Yeah, it had to break that high for me to get involved. We're not under the sea no more. Look at this, man. I got back all the red today except for NIO. Legit. Legit. There goes BNZI again, man. That's a fool's errand at this point, though. A fool's errand. That's kind of nice, but I mean, maybe back up to highs, but I'm straight. I'm cool. Yeah, we're gonna call that a good day, y'all. We're gonna end the day right there. We're gonna end it right there. Man. I hope this thing goes for you, though. I mean, it's only this. All of this volume actually should be enough to overcome this high right here. So, I would think. It's got to hold up there, though. $9 is kind of the line in the sand, but... That's a legit pullback. It's a little deep, though. Yeah, I'm done, though. I am done. We did it. Second green day. Only regrettable trades really are NIO. Both of my regrettable trades are on NIO. Yep. Breakout Billy this one over here. And then just bought this retracement that went back into the price range. But other than that, yeah, man, I remember trading NIO a lot back in the day, but it was way more expensive. Yeah, I remember it in the $20 range when I was trading it. Yeah. Yeah, it has fallen from grace. Aren't they an EV? I have not seen a NIO car driving around. I remember trading Rivian when they first came to the market, and then actually seeing it driving around on the road. I was like, dang, look at that. They made it to market. Pretty cool stuff, man. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that like button for me, subscribe, and look out for that review video today. Hit that Discord link, man. Y'all want to come hang out with another group of traders? You know, we got a cool crew in there. It's good vibes. Needs a turbo. That's funny, man. Appreciate all y'all that came to hang out with me today, man. Trey, George, Jack, Go Getter, Ponky, Wave Rider. Hey, bruh. All y'all, man. I appreciate all y'all, man. Hit that like button for me. Yeah, Jack. That's why I got the disclaimer, bro. This is not financial advice. I am a struggling day trader. But we did good today, man. Alhamdulillah. Y'all be easy out here. Be safe in the markets, man. Follow your rules. Journal. All that good stuff. The process to success is known, I feel like, right? You follow your rules. You journal your entries. You track your data. It's like losing weight. Like everybody knows you got to watch what you eat and exercise, right? But it's hard to do. It's hard to do, you know, but it can be done. So we'll get there, man. We'll keep plugging away at it. All right, y'all. Be easy. Peace.